Hello friends, my name is Srinivas and I welcome you to my channel Coding Skills. As part of this video, we will learn how we can retrieve all the installed printers. Okay, so wherever we are running this program, so all the printers which are associated with that particular machine is going to be pulled as part of this program. It's going to display all the printers. So let's see how we can implement. This is a simple program, but I just wanted to show you all like how we can achieve the basic functionality of retrieving. So basically we need a couple of import statements, IO exception from the IO package, and print service and print service lookup from javax.print package. So within a main method, we have just declared a print service array and print service lookup print services, and it's going to take two parameters with the null values, and this is going to give us all the print services which are associated to the machine in which you are running this program. So after that, we just need to print the information, that's all. So number of print services, so we're just printing a print service dot length. So based on the length, it's going to give us the information. We are printing a new line character just for the beautification. So we have used a for loop here. For int I equal to 0, I less than print service dot length and I plus plus. So we are trying to print each value from this print service. Printer I plus 1, and there is a colon and print service dot get name. So we're just printing a information specific to it. Let's run this program, how we can see the results. So total number of print services which are available in this machine are 5, and the printer 1 is so and so, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the couple of printers which are tied to this particular machine. There are other parameters also available in case if you want to display them. Print services. So you can create a print job, you can get the printer attributes. So if you want to add a listeners and all these things, you can play around. But this program, I'm just looking for to display the default printers, and I'm not doing any pulling any additional information. So we run it again. So we should see all the printers. Suppose if you have any additional printers, it automatically pulls the printer information. It's going to print it on the console. Please like the video. In case if you are looking for any specific program, please do let me know in the comment section below so that I'll be able to make those programs as early as possible for you. Thank you very much once again. In case if you are visiting my channel for the first time, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you will not be missing any notifications from my channel as and when I publish any new program. Thank you.